Unong aiktin ke Sorkar Jilla, ubadeiru Menteri Sorkar ke Jilla ba Pol Lyngdoh, ulong ba ke Jingmang juga Sorkar Haduh Arphuwe Klur, naga benta ka Iewduh, Kadei ke Jam ban wanra ke Pynkylla ke bakrau, ha ke tega Iewduh, ke bahap ha ke Jingpet jeng ke Himam Lim. Habakran barkilat patai Khubor uba Pol ulong ru, badakani ke Arphuwe Klur ba ke Sorkar kamang, kan Pynkylla bak lebak ya ke Iewduh, ka badai ke Iewduh ke bapau nam, bakan kelalong no ka we na ki Iewduh ki bakam paka, bat biang nadu ki nala, ki lenti ai kejat, bat ki we, naga benta ka bit ka biang jong ki nong shong Iewduh.
Under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, is a major step forward for the state government to connect with local entrepreneurs and vendors. And we're happy that this has happened after a gap of several decades, where the Honorable Chief Minister, assisted by two other members of the cabinet, had gone for an on-spot visit to Iewduh and interacting with diverse traders and shopkeepers and also all stakeholders who benefit from Iewduh. Iewduh, as you might recall, is the largest traditional market in the northeast and is badly in need of a facelift because of several decades of neglect. But we're happy that yesterday we have made the announcement that apart from the 6 crores investment in giving a facelift to the bazaar, we have also decided to further augment our funding to the tune of another 15 crores, meaning altogether an investment of 21 crores immediately for improving the drainage system, improving the infrastructure, power supply, the water connections. A lot of water pipes are leaking. So this will go a long way in addressing the current situation where traders and shopkeepers face a lot of difficulties in the course of their day-to-day operations at Iewduh. So some instructions have also been issued to the line department, for instance, the MEECL, to replace immediately a few of the existing poles which are in a dilapidated stage. So we expect that once the tender is out, we should be in a position to implement this project within the next 3 months.